I would call it hacking, but seriously, subscribe to her. She's awesome. Hey, girlfriend. What's up, Dakota? I miss you. Trying to change my ways. Not be as mean. She'll never do it. Oh, shut up, Bailey. Exhibit A. Well, then, you know, I've always wanted to be a nice girl. And I am. So, subscribe to Brilliant too. Subscribe to us too. Trying to get 50 subbers. But we love her truly. And,